I created Cutis, the ultimate micro-contouring tool, to give you the perfect bone structure and to give you in-clinic results at home. I wanted to get my hands on everyone, for those who want to maintain the work they've had done and for those who are scared of needles but still want the perfect bone structure. When looking at creating Cutis, I had to consider what technology can penetrate to each anatomical layer, from skin to lymph nodes and sinus pockets to fat pads, through to the muscle and down to the bone. Fundamentally, as we age from the bone, the skull, resulting in skeletal resorption. Our skull resorbs and you have temporal hollowing, your eyes become smaller and your orbital rim moves backwards into your skull. Your zygomal cheekbone moves forwards and your mandibular maxillary complex can move backwards or forwards. So therefore, everything sitting on top of the skull slides down. That means you have fat pad migration, the infraorbital fat pad, the malar fat pad, the buccal fat pad, all of these move downwards to give you folds and jowls. Your skin becomes lax and loose like a deflated balloon. So ultimately, we needed technology that could penetrate all the way down to the bone and each anatomical layer to give you a different outcome. Currently, we have technologies and modalities that either penetrate to the epidermis and dermis of the skin, for example, cosmeceuticals, dermaceuticals, prescription-grade microneedling, chemical peels, microcunt devices, LED devices. These all penetrate at skin level only. For more advanced modalities, usually found in clinic, these penetrate to the dermis and the hypodermis, still in the skin. For example, lasers, ultrasound, fractional RF, radio frequency, all the fun devices that I have access to. However, nothing penetrates all the way down to the bone. When we looked at trans-anatomical oscillation technology, we found that vibration technology creates sonic wave patterns that can penetrate differently to each anatomical plane. For example, if it's going to the skin, it's going to give you skin radiance. If the pattern is going to lymph nodes and sinus pockets, it's going to give you depuffing. If it's going all the way down to the fat pads, it's going to reposition the fat pads, giving you lifting and tightening. If it's going to the muscle, it's going to give you tension relief. And then we found a deep pattern, a deep sonic wave pattern that could go all the way down to the bone to give you the ultimate micro-contouring or the perfect bone structure, i.e. my hands at home for you to use.